subscribed, please click on the subscribe button here. And don't forget to click the little bell icon so that I can keep you updated on my latest videos.
Today I'm going to show you how to make a classic banana bread. Very simple, straightforward, and using basic ingredients that you will have in your store cupboard. Flour, sugar, butter, milk, eggs, raisins and nuts if you want to add them, and of course bananas and cinnamon. Okay, so let's start by putting the oven on 350 degrees Fahrenheit, 180 degrees centigrade. So the first thing we need to do is to cream together 1 cup of sugar and half a cup of softened butter, which I have here. Once that's nicely combined, add your wet ingredients, which is your bananas. If you want a moister cake, just add another banana, but it's important to make sure that your bananas are quite ripe before you do this, or else they'll be really hard to mash and your cake won't be moist enough. So add this in together with 2 already beaten eggs. Whisk again, so it's nicely combined. And then start with your dry ingredients. Sift in your flour. Your salt and your bicarbonate of soda, and a shake of cinnamon. This you can leave out if you don't like the cinnamon flavour. Personally, I like it. Sift in, half, mix it in. Sift in the other half. Okay. And then add in your raisins if you're using them. I personally like them, but you can leave them out. Chopped nuts. Here we go. Quickly chop your nuts using a raisin pick. That's about 1/4 cup, and the same with raisins. Again, mix it all in together. And that's it. Your cake is ready to go into the baking tin and into your oven. So we're now ready to put the mixture into our baking tin, which has been lined with baking paper. So scoop it off the sides. Make sure everything is mixed from the bottom, which it should be. And simply pour in. There you have it, all ready to go in the oven. So that's my classic banana bread recipe. Just pop it in the oven now for 55 minutes, and then you'll have a beautiful banana loaf ready to slice. Leave it in the fridge to keep it fresh, and it should last you a good 3 days. So thank you for watching Basics with Bev. Please don't forget to subscribe on the red button below, and please share this with your friends. See you again soon.